Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Patel from Central Queensland University. I'm doing a project in my unit Embedded Systems Design. I'm in term 2018. Here is my project, which is all about home automation system. Here is a prototype, and let me show you everything. I interfaced it with PIC18F4321 microcontroller, and I have used 2 sensors and 3 actuators. My sensors are PIR sensor, which is a motion detector sensor, and one is LM335Z, which is temperature sensor. I put LED bulb as a light in actuator, which will operate with the PIR sensor. One LED bulb for a heater and one fan for AC. I've used 3 relays for 3 actuators, and all the actuators are working on +5 voltage supply. I've connected all the VCC inside the prototype and all negative in ground inside the prototype, and I just put out 2 wires, one is negative and one is positive, but there are 2 wires of the signals and of the relays which I got here outside, and I interfaced it with PIC18F microcontroller. Let me start the project now. I'm turning on the power supply. I'm turning on the microcontroller as well. In my project will work if I'll give the right password only. If I'll give the right password, then only the automation will start. Till then it will not start. And when I'll give the right password, it will turn on the lock, which is in initial condition like this. And after that, if I'm giving continuously 3 times wrong password, then it will lock. So I've designed switch 3, which is a reset key for turning on the project again, which will start the project from here only, which will require ask to put right password. While pressing switch 3, it will turn on LED bulb D3, D4. I put the switch 2 to turn off the light, which will turn on when PIR sensor will detect something. And if you want to turn off, then we can press switch 2 and it will blink LED bulb D3, so that we can know, and then it will turn off the light inside the room. I've designed switch 4 to it was switch 4 which is turning off the light, and switch 2 to turn off the automation system, and it will again start from the it will again ask about the password. Let me start with giving a wrong password consecutively 3 times. My right password is 4 times 5, but I'm giving wrong password, which is 263. It will show only stars, it will not show the right number which I pressed. I pressed pressing a key for 4 times, so it is a wrong password. It will ask again. I'm giving it 1 2 3 4, so I put 2 times wrong. Now it's my 3rd time. 1 2 3 and 4. So now it is locked. On the first line of the LCD, it is showing lock, so I need to reset it. So I can press the switch 3, which will blink LED light D4. As you can see, LED light D4 was turned on and off. Now it is showing again type. So I'm pressing my right password, which is 4 times 5. 1 2 3 4. So it is showing me welcome, and my lock is open now. It on the first line of LCD, it is showing the temperature, and it is in the second line, it is showing the status of the heater and AC. So below 17 degrees my heater will on, below 18 degrees my heater will on, and my heater will turn off about 21 degrees, and about 24 degrees my AC will turn on, and below 20 degrees my AC will turn off. So in the second line of that, it is showing the status that heater is on and AC is off. So as heater is on, LED light is on of the heater. Now as you can see, inside the room the light is not on. So when PIR sensor will sense the object which objects my hand, turn on the light. If I'm pressing switch 4, it will blink LED light D3 and turn off the light. Yes, so it is already turned off the light. Now I'm again putting my hand inside. Now it is sensed and light is turned on. Now let me increase the temperature. So I am giving a higher temperature to the sensor. It will sense, and it is showing the temperature on the first time. It is 23, 18, 25, 26. So heater is already off and AC is already on. So in second line of status, which is showing heater is off and AC is on. Now below, let me get down to the temperature below 20 degrees. It will turn off the AC. It is showing right now 24, 27 degrees. It's 21, 89, 20. With the calibration equation, I put the room temperature as 17 degrees so that I can show the actuators working. Right now temperature is getting down, so it's 28.89. Till then AC is on. Now it's about to 20 degrees. Now when it will go below 20 degrees, the AC will turn on. It is showing me 20.47 now. Yes, it is 19 point something. So my AC is turned off. Now if I want to turn off everything, the process will turn off when I press switch 2. I press switch 2 and it is again asking about type. So this is all about my project. Thank you for watching.